Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 125 grams of softened unsalted butter, 100 grams of castor sugar, and 100 grams of light brown sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 175 grams of self-raising flour. Finally, grab 200 grams of your favorite chocolate chips to make these treats extra special. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the castor and light brown sugars until the mixture is wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and the vanilla extract until everything is fully combined and smooth. Finally, gently fold in the self-raising flour, being careful not to overmix, then stir in your chocolate chips. This creates our perfect cookie dough. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this cookie guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And speaking of recipes, imagine reading them anywhere, even in the kitchen, with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for keeping your hands clean while following instructions. Check the description for a link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your dough ready, it's time to bake. For the best texture, chill your cookie dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Celsius for a fan oven. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes until their edges are golden. Let them cool on the baking tray for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.